Watch me take a graphic from this to this. Hey, everybody, and welcome back to Make It Your Own Design Academy. My name is Cynthia Kita, and I am a brand strategist, designer, and educator here at the Design Pharmacy. And I am back with another design for you guys. So today we're going to turn this hot topic graphic into an announcement. So I guess it's still kind of the same thing, but we're going to change it up a little bit. So I'm going to go to my trusted and handy Canva Dream Lab or Canva AI image, and we're going to create a few images. So I want to create someone who looks very shocked about the announcement that's about to be made. So let's play around. So create an African American woman with a short bob and red stylish sunglasses. She is wearing a white button-up shirt with a short, let me see, what color do I want? Short orange pencil skirt. Can pencil skirts be short, or is that just a mini skirt? Well, anyway, she has a very shocked expression, on her face. And what else? Let me think. Well, let me just leave it at that and see what we come up with. All right, cross your fingers. I'm gonna change it to macro and then 3x4. Let's see what we come up with. Or let's see what AI comes up with. Oh, there. Okay, well, what happened to the shirt over here? I mean, it's kind of cool. Let's call it fashion. Shocked. I like it. The only thing is, like, her eyes, like everywhere around her eyes are like the tint of the red, but then her eyes are like straight up in there. Okay, and then we have this one here, just a little funny for me. And then this lady right here and another one here. So I'm gonna use this one, copy image, and then let me see, what do we want the surprise to be about? Maybe we're closing down. May your businesses never close down unless you wanted to. But anyway, background remover. And we're gonna make this big. We're gonna put her behind. Oh, I see what they did. So they actually didn't put this ombre all the way down, so I'm just gonna push it down because they didn't have this picture all the way. So just gonna change that up. Okay, I'm gonna copy the prompt and then I'm gonna put Hispanic women with long wavy hair and turquoise stylish sunglasses. She's wearing an orange blazer with short white flowy skirt. With her hands on. Okay, let's hope the hands are not messed up here, because we know AI and hands and all that can get really jacked up. But we're gonna see what we come up with. Ooh, okay, this would have been perfect, but the teeth are just, my goodness, my lord, what is that? And then this one, her arm is coming out of her chest. But I could still technically use that and just kind of crop it so people don't even see that, because it's better than the teeth situation right here. Okay, but I think I could kind of go with, oh actually no, because the eyes look a little weird here, but I don't think anyone is gonna notice so closely. I hope not. I meant to do background remover here, and I'm going to rotate her and put her in the corner like, what? And I'm gonna put her behind, just because of her deformities, if I could say that. And yeah, so we're hiding her behind so that we don't see all the things that are not necessarily right with her. Okay. And then I'm going to do some type of a textured background. With graffiti. I don't even know if I spelled graffiti right. Probably not. Okay, graffiti in the colors of mustard, orange, turquoise, teal, and dark blue. It should let's see about that. So we can put something in the background that gives it some texture, something to look at, but not necessarily the focal point. All right, so this caution sign didn't really work well. I kind of like this right here. So I'm gonna use this one because it gives a bit of like that 3D effect, and it still has like a little bit of a blur, which is nice for me at least. Let's see if I could put it back here. Actually, let's see if I could. Okay, that's not working because I have so many things on top of it. Okay, I don't know why it's not taking that in, so I'm just gonna crop it and do it myself. And I'm gonna move it all the way back using position and layers. So there we go. I do want to fix this a little bit more because it's a bit cut off. And then I think I'm gonna blur her just a little bit. Okay, so we have really trying to fix this sharp cut off here. Okay. And then typically you could put your logo in the area that I just kind of deleted. gonna change this to for more updates. So I typically use like pop-ins for examples, so I didn't really get a chance to change too much of that. Okay, and actually we should just change this too. Change it to turquoise. Awesome. You can see a little bit of a line there, so I'm gonna fix that by putting a you can see if a square is gonna fix that line situation. Make that turquoise. All right, awesome. Just gonna bring all this to the front. Okay, it's already in the front, so I don't have to worry about that. And then we can change this again. So change the color of the font. Change that to white. Actually wanted to make that a little bit smaller. Let's see if it'll let me. There we go. Alright, so put it down in the center. Then we're going to pull this down a little bit. Now, because it's hard to see this at the top, it's always a possibility to just remove it. But if not, you could also put a bit of a shadow behind it or lift, just so it makes it, you can see how that popped up, made it more legible. And the shadow will do the same thing. But you saw like with the lift, it was more drastic. You could see it a lot more, and you can increase the intensity. That way it's more legible. If people can't see it, they're not going to act, or they're not going to understand the information that you're sharing with them. So, all right, let's come up with a lie. Well, not a lie, but like an example is what I should say. Not a lie. So I'm gonna change it to Anton or Anton, not sure. Just to change something about this. We're gonna change this orange to, let's see what red will do. Maybe a brighter red. That's a bit much. Let's see that. Okay, I kind of like that better. I'm going to change the intensity here. So that's how far you can go with the intensity, up to 100. We're just going to decrease it a little bit. Okay, so for the announcement, I'll say, what's the business name? Okay, so I didn't end up doing the closing down one, but the shock is still shock. So chancletas, because I was trying to think of like something, slippers, I don't know. It is what it is. But they are going to open a new location in Dallas, Texas, July 2025. Or maybe I should change this to like a later date, 2028. So for more information, I should even make this a group so I can move it all at the same time without having to constantly select it. But yeah, for more updates, go to mybusiness.com. My business, or probably add like Chocolate does to the website. But anyway, mybusiness.com. And so this is just, you know, an announcement. I should change that to announcement. I should change the color of this to, let me see. I don't even know which color red I used. Okay, so I'll do that, and then I'm going to increase, or it's already at 100, so I don't need to increase that. Another thing I could do is move the ombre up more, and then move the box up more as well, just so we can see that just a little bit more clearly. I'm just gonna make the line a bit shorter, go to position and center so I don't have to try to figure out what that is. So announcement. Or you could hear that too. Did you hear? And there we go. So we have shock. We have our lady in the background who had her arm coming out of her chest. We blurred her out a little bit just to further provide that shock value, the expression. And so if you're scrolling and you see someone shocked, you're like, what is going on? And so you look down and you see, you know, what the announcement is. And then for more updates, you know, you go ahead and go to wherever the website or the call to action will be. So you probably would make this a little bit bigger for social media just so it's more legible. And then you would be all set with that. So this is how we started, and this is how we ended. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.